Hey family, so this is your girl Wendalyn, and I'm here to announce that we are doing a Mother's Day meal collab, and I'm collaborating with two beautiful ladies, Miss Lisa from Lisa D's Delights and Mama T from Mama T Speaks. I love their channels. These are some beautiful, positive women, and I'm just gonna let y'all see for yourself.
Hey, it's Lisa D, founder of Lisa D's Delights. And on this channel, we help beginner cooks learn how to prepare quick and simple recipes made with love. Most of our recipes are Southern cuisine with a healthy flair. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing.
I'm Mama T, and I thank you so much for dropping in. I am very happy to have a channel on YouTube so I can spread the word. I've been cooking for about 30 years, so I'm a professional cook, and I have recipes that I can show and share with you. I'm also a florist. I had my own business, and you know, I know a lot about the floral industry, but most of all, I have a lot of life experiences that I can share. Do some cooking. We're gonna do some thrifting. We're gonna be doing a lot on this channel, and I'm happy that I decided to step on in and get a YouTube channel, and we're gonna have fun. Okay, so be blessed, and I will see you soon. That's a promise.
Okay, you guys, so this is going to be a three-part series. We're going to do a main dish, a side dish, and a drink cocktail, and you can also feature a dessert in that video if you would like to. The main dish is going to be uploaded on 3/24. The side dish is going to be uploaded on 3/31, and the drink / dessert is going to be uploaded on April the 7th. So that's every Wednesday. If you would like to join, simple, easy. This is an open collab. All you have to do is hit one of us up. Let us know that you want to be a part. Use the hashtag Mother's Day Meal Collab, and we'll add you to the playlist. There will be rules, which is not hard to follow at all. It will be down in the description box. Okay? So it's gonna be fun. I'm excited. I ain't telling y'all what I'm making yet, so just wait till the 24th come, then y'all will see, okay? But if you like my content, check out the rest of my videos and subscribe, and also go over to Lisa D's channel and Mama T Speaks channel and show the love there as well, okay? So I will see y'all in the next one, and I cannot wait till we do this collab and show the mama some love, honey. All right? Thank y'all. Bye.